Hello everyone, welcome to visit Qingdao Hollyren Cosmetics Corporation Limited. We are the top eyelash manufacturer with 14 years experience. Today, I'm gonna show you how we work every day. Here is the International Trade Department, sales team, merchandisers team, logistics team. They communicate with customers from all over the world about the new products, order details, and shipment every day. Here is our R&D department. They focus on studying new products, about 30 to 50 styles per month. After tested and selected by the professional makeup artists, they will launch the best items to the market. And IT department, our engineers maintain ERP system and website here. Here is the production management department. The bridge connects the sales team with factory. They schedule all the orders to make sure everything is under control. Here is design department. They are in charge of everything about beauty. Logo, poster, brochure, video, photo, and packaging design. They launch new packages based on the fashion trend of each season. Okay, after some main departments, let's go to the meeting room. After all this, let's go and look around our factory, warehouse, and the eyelash salon. First, we will show you our own factory with the certification of WCA, CEDEX, and ISO 9001. Let's go! Hello everyone, this is Qingdao Hollyren Cosmetics Corporation Limited. Today, I'll show you our factory. You can see behind me, our factory covers an area of 3,000 square meters. Let's go and look around. This is our production workshop office. When the customer confirms the order details, our sales department will communicate with our production department about the requirement and the lead time immediately. This is our warehouse for stocking raw materials. When the raw materials come to our warehouse, they will be inspected, selected, and sorted into our warehouse by our professional workers. This is our eyelash extension workshop. The workers in different areas are doing the procedure they are good at. Those wireless cords are produced here. Look, tons of tubes are with different diameter. After about steps, the workers put the eyelashes into the oven. Let's have a look. After heating, take lashes off the tubes. Fix the lashes on the paper cup. Cut the extra part of each strip lashes. and put into the box. Ta-da! One tree of amazing eyelash extension is finished. Now, let's go to another important workshop. It's just beside here. Come on! What you see now is our strip force eyelash workshop. Different molds, different styles. Put the lashes into the mold to make one basic layer. Combine different layers together. Roll it up. Put it in the oven to heat. After setting the coil, fix the lashes on the tree. Pack it in box. We make 100% inspection for each step in the production line to ensure no defective semi-products into the next step. Our stock management of semi-products and finished products comply with ISO 9001. We will clean and sterilize our workshop every day. Each tree of eyelashes is produced based on this strict process, but this is not the final step. All the finished products must go through the final inspection and then packed into bags and cartons. Our QC staff have much experience in factory auditing and quality controlling. Besides the regular inspections, they will make random inspection. The QC team inspect packages, accessories, and semi-finished products. Also, they will do midterm and final inspection for finished products. All above procedures conform to EQL 2.5 standard. 我想请问一下，这盒睫毛是为什么被挑出来了？
这盒睫毛有点漏毛。
The reason why these eyelash extensions were picked out is because there are some gaps on the strips. They hold a monthly meeting to summarize the experience of inspecting regular products and share the key points of the new products inspection. After final inspection, the products will be transferred to the finished products area. The warehouse staff will check the quantity and transfer to ready-to-ship area. Finally, those lashes will be delivered to customers all over the world. Now, we are in our beautiful eyelash salon. Our artists are making eyelash extensions for our VIP clients. And this is the area for eyelash extensions. Our senior technician won the champion of professional competition held in Japan and Korea. They often fly to attend technical seminars in Asia. All the new products will be tested by our technicians and overseas makeup artists. Our R&D department will improve the products as their feedbacks. And finally, some selected products will be launched after professional approval. The Eyelash improvement makes sure the new lashes and tools we launch will help our customer win the market. This is our training room. Our artists also make eyelash extensions to our colleagues in office. So we can know more deeply technology and the benefits of every product we recommend to you to help our clients to select the best selling products in their market. This is our warehouse nearby our office, which is 1,000 square meters, 2 floors in total. Eyelashes sample area, package area, and the main area is the huge tool library. There are all types of fresh newly made tools you will need in our stock, like glue, tweezers, eye patch, glass plate, tape, lash lifting, magnetic eyeliner, and so on. Every batch of products will be inspected strictly by EQL 2.5 standard to make sure every single product is perfect for sale and usage. Our colleagues control the stock following the most strict and international advanced warehouse management system, making the mass products efficient and accurate entry, delivery from storage. Welcome to our company. Hollyren is here waiting for you.